Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got the coolest Mulberry shade today. So this is a Mulberry Oversized Alexa and it's in a shiny leopard print leather, which is just so cool. It still looks really nice and glossy and it's got that lovely kind of slouchy Alexa look to it. So we've got a leather plaited top handle here, and then we also have a removable strap as well. So you can see it just clips on either side to those loops, so you can have it as a shoulder or a crossbody too. And then we've got a flat closure, and then we've got those press stud belted facings. So I'll just pop those open, and then of course we've got that iconic Mulberry postman's lock too, and a lovely shiny gold hardware. So inside we've got a suede lining on that flat closure, and then inside the bag we've got that generic bag liner in there, and then we've also got that mulberry tree fabric lining. So we've got one zipped pocket right at the back there, and then on the opposite side we have got another flat pocket, so you can see that flat pocket just here. So the condition of this one, we've called the exterior fair. Again, you can see that leather has definitely been used and been loved before. It's got that lovely slouchy look to it. There is just a little bit of wear to the corners, so you can see on each of those corners where that leather has just rubbed, and you can't see the leopard print so well on those corners where it's rubbed a little bit. So that is why we have called that fair. There's just kind of wear to the leather trims as well, but again it's in a really lovely pre-loved mulberry condition, and mulberry just lends itself to a pre-loved look, so it just looks even better as you keep using it. The interior we've called good. You can see that suede has got a bit of wear to it. It's got a couple of marks where it's been sat on the hardware, but actually it's still in a nice condition. And then the interior, again, there's no particular marks for me to show you on the inside there. There's just a bit of wear again to those leather trims, but no particular marks or standout marks for me to show you in there. Again, it's just a case you can tell that it's been used before, been loved before, and so that is why we've called it good. The hardware, again, we've called good. You can see that that gold tone is still really lovely and shiny, especially on that postman's lock, but there's just hairline scratching on that plaque, and then again a little bit of scratching on those plaques on the interior too, and so that is why we've called the hardware good. So this one comes with, we've got the Mulberry little paper envelope, and inside there we've got Mulberry care card, as well as little Mulberry product tag too. And then we have the Mulberry dust bag, so a nice big Mulberry dust bag to keep that protected in storage, as well as a plastic storage bag too. So the exact measurements for this Alexa will be on our website, so click that link in the description below and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag on armcandybagco.com. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if the Alexa is one of your favourites, especially in this beautiful shiny leopard print leather, what you can do is you can get on our request list. So it's really easy to do that. Just get in contact with us, let us know that you love this. We'll get you on our request list, and as soon as we get another one like it, you'll be one of the first to know. We'll send you through an email with the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly. So that's the request list. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and I'll show you first with that strap. So we've got the strap on the shortest setting at the minute, so you've got a few settings to make it a bit longer to how you like it, but this is how it sits on me on that shortest setting as a shoulder, or I think it looks really nice as a crossbody as well, or you can take the strap off completely, so it just clips off really nice and easily on either side off of those loops. And then you've just got a little top handle satchel too, and it's a really lovely shape. Again, even though it's got that slouchy looking leather, that bag liner on the inside just really helps to keep that lovely shape, so you can have it with that top handle too, and you'll see that shape really nicely. So if you are interested in it, if this is your thing, go to the link in the description below. Don't forget to sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code. And have a look at the How to Sell with Us page if you're interested in selling any of your bags as well. We'd love to see what you've got for us, and you'll find all the details you need to know on that page, so have a read through there. Don't forget to like this video while you're here, and also subscribe to our channel. Hit that alert button, and then you don't miss out on any beautiful bags like this one that we have to show you, and we'll be back very soon with some more.